blind as a bat, see the slugger is me. Louisville bugger, the nugger of he, the daughter of slaughter, the taughter the rhyme, the sun and the moon and the earth and the sky, the why or the how and the who, the why and we are and the all that we do, the all that we fall in the table of time that will turn up the fable and gables and vines and rip up the ocean and tear up the floor. God-given proof that there is even more that you can imagine. Imagine the stars, 188.6 thousand bars, 1,000 miles that'll travel in less than a second, taking your neck and breaking and break it. The wormhole computer will speak it and see in less than a second. You speak it to me from across the other side because it's coming back around. And when the end of knowledge pushes everything you found underneath the foot existence that we really little had, all the dinosaurs that came here right before the oil had left it sadly cost a gallon less than not even a cent, cause the dinosaurs didn't have to pay the rent. Torrential rains and then explains the sun just started out just like the sky, and he made this land for you and I, and still the atom tried to enlist the help of atoms that were all around the nucleus. Told you that I'm the son of the nuclear that's infused in the holier than a fusionist. Yes, it's no excuses coming in like the nooses of angry men that food with a fighter. I'm much too bright with a polar van. She's thinking I'm colder than shoulder shrinking and shrugging the ship I'm sinking. I'm knowing the Titanic crossing Atlantic seas, and I'm frozen, exposing a virus mutates, and then everyone gets sick, and everyone gets it, throwing up blood, and the nose is frozen, and time and the look at faces that death when I learn is learning lesson.